chombula kana Ukeethiwa Kyakwaisya iseso iya Muthungululo alama mekwenda tikiti wa kyama kiu wa kana mwenekivila wa nzama ya unyuvani kyamani cha UDA Anthony Mwaura niwawetekana kyama ki nikikwatite utalo wa ateti mbe wa ngili miongo thanthatu alama mekwenda kukitia ivilo kuthukan'yo na tiketi wa kyama ki cha UDA unyuvanini wa mwei wa nyanya.
Chama cha UDA ni cha thingilano munini wa President Dr. William Ruto ula kwa oyuwe na tikiti wa UDA kukitia kivila cha uteti unyumbanini wa munene ukite Kuweta kana vayingwa mutechungiwe na tikiti wa imwe kwa imwe nzama ya kuungamia unyuvani kyamani ki nikyatangaasa nongi na kivila chonthe kina wendi kuma kwa ateti mbe wa umwe kisile Muthungululo niwo Matuku 18 mwei ukite.
We will conduct our nominations across the country on the 14th April 2022. The nominations will be held simultaneously in all the wards, constituencies, and the counties. The party reiterates its commitment to render free, fair, verifiable, and democratic party primaries. We are not issuing any direct tickets. As long as there is more than one aspirant, there will be nomination.
Kwianana na mwenekivila wa nzama hii Anthony Mwaura ni kana kuvikiia kwa oyu muthenya umwe woka mbe wa iseso ya kuandikithia ateti cia amani kuvingwa. UDA ikwatie mavalua kuma kwa ateti vakuvi 60,000 nzama hii yendekethia ateti ala meumelelia mata ivila kithukan'yo kunenanya kwianana na kuungamia Uw'O ethiwa maikwenda nzia ya Muthungululo kuvikiwa.
This party is very proud to have attracted aspirants across the board, the highest number of applicants, and I'm proud to say that we had more than 6,000 applicants. We are seriously encouraging consensus amongst our aspirants. If aspirants agree and they sign an agreement and they come with it, the way Malala and Dr. Harore did.
Oingi chama cha UDA ni chathana kwithiwa ngunu Muthungululo yake muteti wonthe wina ivango ya kuvalanya na kuweta nduthi isesoni thi akavetangwa imwe kwa imwe kuma listini ya ateti ma UDA.
And any member who would cause violence or encourage violence, any aspirant, you disqualify that aspirant immediately. And even if he causes that violence in the morning, that election would go on. And we are categorical to that.
Na unakutwika kila chama kiweta Muthungululo yake Ikeethiwa na Umilu na Wikeku UDA liweta yithiwa na teina mundu wonthe ukwenda kuvuluka mwiano wa kiuteti wa mwaitu na ndume mamutha me mwana isesoni thino.
We are not going to condone any form of violence, especially to the PWDs, that is people with disabilities or women. We hold women in our party as an integral part of our party.
Dilivotia vilingi wa waw'o kumava kauntini ya Ilovi nyeneta wa Benjamin Mwaka.